What's up, party peeps and rookies? This is Carding Chase again, and this is about box breaking, pack ripping, sports cards channel. And if we are still breaking a Bowman U Chrome retail box, that means that we haven't pulled a Wembanyama card yet. So without further ado, this is the 8th Bowman U Chrome 2022-2023 retail box that we are breaking tonight. And as usual, there are 7 packs in here, 4 cards in a pack, and we're hoping to end the chase tonight. So hopefully this is the box that will end our chase. So without further ado, without so much introduction and stuff like that, we're gonna break this 8th box of Bowman U Chrome 2022-2023. Here we go. Alright, and set it aside. This and what happened here? This is empty. Pop in there. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. I like to do something like that. All right, let's go, Wemby. Pack number 1. And are we really gonna be able to pull a Wembanyama card? That's the biggest question I have. Brandon Slater, a base. Jalen Washington, base. Bruce Thornton, base. Ashlyn Watson, base. And Jackson Collar as a pink refractor. And it's off-centered. I look at the centering right away, because if you get a good card and it's not centered properly, and it won't be graded nicely on when you send it. Okay, I think we have a signature card. This is Tyrese Proctor. I think we have a signature card. This is Rice Sensabaugh. We're doing the end for now at the back. This is a pink refractor. I think we have a signature card. Look at that. You see that? That's number 69. This is Tyrese Hunter. This is Lauren Betts. And our signature card, oh come on, don't, hopefully this is Wemby already. Is this Wemby? Let's put a top card for now. Let's make it a suspense. Who is this? Oh my goodness, it's a gold. It's gold. It's a Amari Bailey. All right, we have a signature card. Well, it's a auto of Amari Bailey. It's but look at it's not centered at all again. So it's 32 of 75. All right, I like it. That's the way to go. I was hoping that was Wemby already, but all right. Look at how off the signature though. I mean the centering though, right? Okay, well, the first pack is good. I like it. Keep it coming. Let's go, Wemby. Second pack. We have Hunter Dickinson. We have Colin Chandler, Jared McCain, and Chris Murray, the brother of Keegan Murray. And I like it. It's centered. Okay, hopefully he will be as good as his brother. It's kind of difficult for the one that's following us, the other, right? Okay, come with more. All right, let's go. This is centered properly. I like it. Timmy Allen, Trace Jackson, Gigi Jackson, and the Race Walker again. All right. This is the fifth pack already. Come on, let's go, Wemby. Wemby. Don't. Please, Wemby. All right, we have an insert. Who is this? I don't know. Who is he? This is Oscar Tribué. Okay, nice card. Look at that. See that? That's really a nice card, right? Like, well, because it's a nice card and he's a good player, I'm gonna sleeve them. But just to let you know, we're gonna sleeve all the cards because these kids are gonna be great someday. Kyle Lefton, and then Mikey Williams, a space. Six pack. Come on, Wemby. Come on, Wemby. There's one Harris, Tiger Campbell, KD Johnson, Zion Cruz, and Ernest Uday. How come these cards are printed badly? So look at, it's so off. It's almost. Oh. All right, last pack, ladies and gentlemen, and is this the end of our chase? Come on, Wemby. Arterio Morris. Okay. All right. We don't have a signature, but we have Arterio Morris. I like him. Avery Anderson. Okay. Armando Bacot as skyscraping. All right. Jalen Hebsofino, the Lakers pick of the draft pick of 2023. Right, they pick him from Cam Whitmore. I don't know why. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a recap. We got the regular stuff. Jalen Hebsofino, skyscraping Armando Bacot, Arthur Morris, Ernest Uday, the Race Walker, what's so off the printing, Trace Jackson Davis, which is I like the centering of that one. Cam Whitmore, same through. Bryce Sensabaugh, Jackson Collar, and we have Chris Murray over here, and we got Oscar Tshiebwe. Look at that, it's really a nice card, right? Look at it. And then of course our auto, Amari Bailey, and number 32 of 75. I like it. All right, see you again next time.